Hey everybody, it's Paul from Cary Estate Planning back with another video as part of our 2020 video challenge. Today we're continuing on the theme of estate administration, talking more about notice of creditors, but this time we're talking about the contents of the creditor claim itself. So what actually has to be set out in a claim for it to be valid? So the creditor claim has to be set out in writing. They're usually typed and signed by some sort of records custodian, has to state the amount or item claimed, has to set other relief sought if it's not an amount or item, the basis for the claim, and then the name and address of the claimant. And it must be presented in one of several different ways. We'll talk about that in the next video. But that's a pretty general or broad claim. So it doesn't have to be incredibly specific, doesn't have to be incredibly narrow. Usually we see creditor claims that have, the debtor's information, the creditor's information, and then like a credit card number, a balance, those sort of things. But it's usually not supported by an invoice. It's generally something that doesn't have any specific form or template. It needs to be used. It just has to be consistent with the statute, which is 28A 19.1, manner of presentation of claims. So very, very general, but just kind of hits the high notes. This is Paul from Cary Estate Planning.